Hey everybody, my name is Pam, Pamelas Creations, here today to show you some, I'm going to pull it up a little bit, happy mail from the Stamps of Life. My subscription box came in the other day, and so I don't think this is a Christmas one. I think they're moving on to maybe Valentine's Day, I think. So let's see what we got here. This is the Die Hard set, I believe. And so this one gets mailed out of the first of the month, and then this one gets mailed out on the 15th of the month. So let's see what we got in here. First, I did open it up because I was just nosy and curious. So it looks like it's a Valentine's Day one. And there you go. Love Bugs 2-stamp and die set. And they show you some samples right here of what you get, and then they show you these here. There's another one on the back. I like how they show you. That is really cute. Have a hug. Aw, isn't that cute? And then we got some stamps. Happy mail, sending you bug hugs, love, a hug, and the dies to go with. And then they send you a free gift as well. Thank you for being a club member. I believe it says joy. So you get a free one. So that was that part. I'm going to open up this. I'm going to put you on pause. I'm going to open up the box and I'll show you what else is next. Right? Got my box untaped here, and then I'm going to open it up and show you what's in here. So I have not opened, or I haven't watched anybody's videos of what is in the box, so I can be surprised. So, all right. The first thing we got was some enamel dots, looks like, and I love pastels. Those are my favorite color, is pastels. Isn't that pretty? I sure think those are pretty. And then they give you, looks like, some information on card styles. And I think this is new because I've never seen this before. So yeah. Oh, how cool is that? Talks about them and the company, and yeah, this is new. These have never been in my boxes before. Interesting. Okay, so it's a card maker's guide is what it is. And then it looks like they give you more ideas on your cards, which is always nice. And so it tells you the paper you're getting is cranberry, guava, candy, grape, ocean, blue jay, mint chip, and green apple. You get some cute flowers, which those are like, looks like velvety flowers with a flat back pearl. You get some cute ribbon. I like the plaid and the purple. 2 ribbons. It looks like you get some chipboard hearts with most of my favorite colors on there. Let's see what else here. And then we get some dies. A free kit. Looks like it says happy birthday. The shadow die and the shadow die. And you get some stamps. Happy heart makes the face cheerful. Proverbs 15:13. With all my heart, thanks, kisses, and Anne. A heart, love you, hello, hugs, and hello. Ooh, I like that. It's a thank you gift for a club member. A tag with a heart. Love the pattern. Let's see here. With love. Let's see here. This one's kind of hard to see, isn't it? And you get the shadow in the die with love. An arrow. That's cute. I like that. And then we got some of their paper, which matches the theme that they do. And some of these you can cut out with your die. The ones that, you know, like these here. And some of the envelopes. Oh, these are so cute. With the hearts. And you can cut these out, I think, if you have the die. The flowers. The envelopes. So cute. And then they give you, move this out of the way, an envelope to store your stuff in. Oops. Store your stuff in. This used to come in there. Now they just wrap it up in plastic. So I like it. You can store your paper. I'll put this down. You put your paper in there. Like that. And just add your stuff to it. Your paper and so forth. And so this is the paper that they're talking about that has cranberry, purple. So they give you the cardstock, they give you the envelopes, they give you the dies. Coordinating dies, everything for you to make your cards. I just love this ladybug. They are so cute. I love the colors on the enamel dots. And you can just add your stuff to your card, you know, your folder, and you can store it in there. That's why I like these envelopes. You know, you put it in there like so. And here's the envelopes. And then you put these two in the front. Of course, that's not how I'm going to leave it, but yeah. And then you just kind of fold it up, you know, like that, which I will take care of later. So yeah, that's my Stamps of Life. I will link their information down below if you're interested in checking them out. They also, so if you're a club member, you get little perks on discounts through their website, which is nice. So I will link it down below. Yeah, that's it. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up and the notification bell so you can see more of my videos. And I'm on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, and I will also link those down below. And I want to wish you guys some happy holidays and have a safe and blessed new year. All right, everyone, have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.